Remember when we thought dial-up was the pinnacle of technology? Get ready because AI is about to blow that out of the water, especially for your social media game. I'm the Gen X AI prompt queen, and in this video, we're going to unlock the secrets of mastering AI prompts to supercharge your social media presence, Gen X style. You might be thinking, AI prompts, what's the big deal? Well, they're your new secret weapon for creating engaging content without the endless hours of brainstorming. Think of prompts as your personal social media assistant, helping you craft posts that resonate with your audience faster and more effectively than ever before. No more staring at a blinking cursor, wondering what to post. AI prompts give you a head start, transforming your ideas into polished, ready-to-share content. Let's dive into 5 powerful AI prompts that will help you crush it on social media. These are designed to be straightforward and incredibly effective. Our first prompt is for generating engaging post ideas. Simply ask, generate 5 social media post ideas that will resonate with Gen X professionals. This prompt helps you brainstorm content that speaks directly to your target audience, ensuring your posts are relevant and attention-grabbing. Next, for crafting compelling captions, try this. Write 3 engaging social media captions for your idea post about my idea, including relevant hashtags and a call to action. This prompt takes the guesswork out of writing, providing you with ready-to-use captions that drive interaction and engagement. Our third prompt is for creating short video scripts. Ask, develop a 30-second video script for social media promoting, focusing on your idea for Gen X. Video is king on social media, and this prompt helps you quickly outline compelling narratives for your short-form content. Prompt number 4 focuses on repurposing content and is my favorite prompt in this list. I use it for my dog's review blog social media. It saves me a ton of time. Rewrite this blog post or article about your idea into 5 distinct social media updates for LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Maximize your content's reach by transforming one piece into multiple formats, saving you time and effort while maintaining consistency. Finally, for engaging with trends, use this. How can authentically participate in the current social media trend of to connect with Gen X? Staying relevant is key, and this prompt helps you integrate your brand into trending conversations in a meaningful way. Now for some bonus tips on tweaking these prompts. You can always refine your output by adding specifics about your brand's tone. For example, add in a witty and slightly sarcastic tone, or with a professional and authoritative voice to guide the AI's style. You can also specify the platform. Instead of just social media, try for a LinkedIn post or for an Instagram reel to get tailored results. The more specific you are, the better the AI's output will be. It's like giving clear instructions to a very smart intern. Experiment with different keywords and phrases to see what works best for your unique brand voice and audience. Remember, AI is a tool and you're the master craftsman. Your input shapes its output, so don't be afraid to play around. So there you have it, 5 powerful AI prompts and bonus tips to help Gen X professionals like you dominate social media. It's time to embrace the future, leverage AI, and show those younger generations how it's really done. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips. Go forth and outsmart the algorithm Gen X style. Your social media presence is about to get a serious upgrade.